In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Tradingview. If you're looking to move around charts faster, draw more efficiently, and streamline your analysis, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the shortcut reference inside Tradingview so you can start working smarter right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to tradingview.com. If you land on a homepage or watch list, that's perfect. The goal is to reach a full chart because that's where the keyboard shortcuts really come into play and where you'll see the complete set of tools they control. Next, select stocks and open the full chart. You can click into a symbol from your watch list or use the search bar to look up any ticker you want to analyze, then choose the option that opens the full featured chart. Once the chart workspace loads, you'll see toolbars around the edges and the price action in the center. This environment is where shortcuts help most, especially when you're switching time frames, navigating left and right, and working with drawing tools. Now look to the top left area of the chart and click on the profile icon. This icon opens a menu with key platform options related to your account and chart experience. Using this menu is the most direct way to reach the built-in list of shortcuts without hunting through different panels. From that menu, click on Keyboard Shortcuts. A panel or overlay will appear showing a categorized list of the most useful hotkeys. You'll typically see sections for chart navigation, scaling and zooming, managing drawings, indicators, intervals, and more. Think of this as your fast reference guide. It tells you exactly which keys control common actions, so you can stop digging through menus and start executing commands instantly. As you review the list, notice how it's organized by task. If you spend a lot of time drawing trend lines or measuring moves, focus on the drawing and editing sections. If you prefer quick navigation, look at the chart movement and zoom items. Time frame and interval shortcuts are great when you compare a higher time frame trend to a lower time frame entry. The key is to pick a few that match your workflow and commit them to memory. A couple of quick tips: if you're on a smaller screen, the menu may look compact, so scroll through the panel to see all categories. If you're on a non-US keyboard layout, some labels may differ slightly, so use the list as your source of truth. That's it. Go to tradingview.com, open a full chart for a stock, click the profile icon at the top left and select keyboard shortcuts. Keep that panel handy, practice a handful of shortcuts and you'll notice your charting become faster, cleaner and more consistent.